Learn to play. The Franklin Future Champs Kids Soccer Goal Set is perfect for introducing your little athletes to the game of soccer. Whether it be a toddler's first time, or a young kid's practice set. Easy assembly. This insta-set is designed with quick fold corner joints that fold lock into place to easily assemble or break down the goal in seconds. The portable functionality makes this goal easy to move and store in seconds. Full set. This soccer goal set comes with everything needed to get little athletes practicing and developing their skills. Includes one easy fold kids soccer goal, one rotation molded soccer ball, and one inflation pump, needle found in pump handle. Indoor and outdoor. Whether you are at the park, field, backyard, beach, or indoors, this set is ready for play and is conveniently transported. Compact size. The 24x16x16 dimensions for this goal allow for the first-time player to easily maneuver and practice their fundamentals. Top reviews from the United States. Amazing little toy for toddlers. First is safety. The ball that came with this is required to be filled with air, but it does come with a pump. Amazingly, they clearly label that the needle is located in the pump handle, and that is excellent. Secondly, assembly is, quite literally, instantaneous. The net unfolds and makes a very positive click when the angle is correct. It is light, and will likely be difficult to keep down in the wind, but overall, this is a 10 out of 10.